Hi, Antarctic Mike here. As I look back on 2014 and ask myself, what did I learn? And look ahead into 2015 and say, what would I do differently? The answer is, I'd work smarter and not just harder. And you say, well, I've heard that a lot of times before, Mike. What does that really mean? And I think for me, what I've learned specifically is to give value first. There are way too many salespeople who end up talking about themselves, about their company, about what they can do for you, instead of really asking great questions of customers and prospective customers to find out, well, what does this customer really need, regardless of whether myself and or my company is the one to provide it. And as I look back on last year's business that I had, it was a very good year. And most of my business came from referral. In fact, I really came to the conclusion that my reputation was working harder and smarter for me than my own direct efforts. And as I stepped back then, I looked at why was that the case. I thought of all the instances and the situations where, as I made contact with people and as I was proactive in the sales process, I really made more of a direct effort to reach out to people, not to promote myself, not to tell people about what I did, but rather to really inquire about who they were and what problems they were solving and who they needed to know. In fact, the very best piece of business I had last year, measured by revenue, came from somebody in Pennsylvania who reached out to me. And she originally had found out about me through a contact also in Pennsylvania who never hired me. And the story was amazing because when I called this gal, Joni, who ended up promoting me to this other company, I said, "You've never hired me. You've never heard me speak. What did you tell this gal?" And it went back to a story years ago where I originally had reached out to Joni, not for the purposes of telling Joni who I was or what I did or why she should hire me, but rather I called Joni because I had an introduction to make for her that I thought would be somebody that she should know. And so as I look ahead and I think about the world of salespeople and I think about what really makes us effective, right? We've got to make more connections and not more calls. Way too many salespeople are measuring their activity by the number of calls they make. I'm going to challenge you instead to think about it in terms of how many connections do you make. And you say, well, what's the difference between a call and a connection? A call is a one-way conversation that's led by the salesperson, promoting themselves, promoting their company, talking about what they do, how great they are, all that other stuff. Rather, a connection is a two-way conversation. And it's led by a salesperson who asks more questions than they make more statements. And when they ask questions, they're sincere. And you're looking for the real answers as to what problems the customers are solving or what value they're looking to add to whatever it is that they do. And a really good salesperson's approach is one that says, whether I'm the person or we're the company to provide that or solve that problem is irrelevant. I've just got to find out really what the customer needs. And if I'm not the one to solve the problem or to add the value, I'll help the customer find the person or the company who is. In other words, not really putting what you need at the front of the equation, but rather put what they need at the front of the equation, regardless of whether you're the provider or not, and just trust. You'll get more than enough of what you want and need. So as I look ahead into 2015, I'd really just encourage you, if you're in sales, to really think about that. And to make more of a dedicated effort this year to making connections, real connections, and not just making calls. So I hope that helps. If you have further questions or you'd like to discuss, just find me on social media, especially on LinkedIn. Again, this is Antarctic Mike. Thank you for your time. I look forward to a conversation with you.